So Black Friday and phishing. This is a DM that I received where it stated that I had won a contest that ViceAnvilTactical is running for Black Friday. So when I received it, initially I thought, wow, great, excellent. And then I started to actually look at the profile that had actually sent me the message. This is not the real ViceAnvilTactical. First, there is an extra I in the name, so instead of anvil, it's got instead of one I in anvil, it's got two I's. And secondly, have you noticed that URL is masked by a tinyurl.com link, which is not going to take you to the real ViceAnvilTactical. It's going to take you to a phishing website. So it's going to take you to a phishing site that's going to actually look to harvest your credentials. Because if you go back to what the DM they sent me was, I have to register to win this competition. So this is what the real ViceAnvilTactical Instagram page looks like, and then this is what the fake ViceAnvilTactical page looks like, and you can see how hard it is to differentiate the two, but there are a few tells that you can see. So I quickly made another post, an Instagram post, and I let them know that, hey, this attempt was happening. And as you can see, they responded, at which point I then got another DM follow-up from the fake ViceAnvilTactical, and they then said, hello, winner, at which point I just blocked them and reported them to Instagram. But again, it's getting bad out there, people. So if you have Instagram, Twitter, all that stuff, make sure that anyone sending you a DM is actually who they say they are. Most of the time, 99% of the time, it's going to be a malicious actor, someone just trying to fish your credentials. Banks and crypto wallet places, like crypto places, they're not going to ask you for your credentials via DM on Twitter or whatever. They are going to contact you directly if they ever need to for whatever reason. Most of the time, it'll be through email. And at which point, you should always call their number. Anyway, the number that's on their actual website, not a fake website, but the number that's actually on their real website, and just to verify that they are who they say they are. If you have any questions or comments about any of this, again, please put them below, and I'm always glad to have a conversation about this. But again, thanks a lot for watching, everybody, and I will catch you soon.